Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I finally want to show you guys what's in the FABFITFUN Fall 2018 box. I posted on Instagram that I finally got it in the mail. Oh my gosh, my cat just jumped up on the bed and scared me.
Say hi, Henry. Hi. You want to just sit here like a good boy? Okay, sit there.
Anyways, for this video, I partnered with FABFITFUN to show you guys what's exactly in this box. They just released it. I know a lot of you guys know about FABFITFUN already, but if you don't know, it's a seasonal subscription box, so it comes around 4 times a year for every single season. You get like great full-size products of like all these different brands, products for beauty, lifestyle, wellness, fitness, health, and of course, if you guys know me, one of my favorite things about this box is that each box is $49.99, but there's a value of like $200 to $300 worth of stuff in each box. Plus, if you've never tried this out before, you guys can get your first box $10 off using my code KM10. I'll leave the link down below in the description box so you guys can try it out yourself. You'll get the box for $39.99. Also, FABFITFUN's now letting you customize some items in your box, so sometimes there's options of getting, say, a purse or a scarf, and you get to choose which one would suit you best, or even like a moisturizer or a perfume. Like sometimes there's just different options, so now they let you customize it so you get like a perfectly custom box to yourself. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in my box, but sign up now so you don't miss out on your chance to customize your box. But let's just dive in and get started. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. Ta-da! So cute, look at the inside. It says, grateful for every little thing, Fall 2018. So first, every FABFITFUN box comes with like a little magazine pamphlet. This also lets you know how much items cost and yeah, exactly what's inside. I'll show you guys what I got, but I also will tell you the other options of things you could get if you want to like switch things out. So I'm gonna tell you guys right now, total value of this box is between $285 and $375. So that's like crazy. You could have a value of like almost $400 worth of stuff in this box and have only paid $49.99. So that's like seriously my favorite thing. First thing, let's start with is this. Oh my God, Alfred's tea. Oh my God, love this place for coffee. I cannot believe that they partnered with Alfred's because I love getting coffee from Alfred's, but I have a lot of coffee things. So I got the ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Look how cute that is. So this cute little teapot was worth $26, or the other option was to pick the Alfred French press for coffee. If you don't like tea, you just pick the coffee one. The next thing, I haven't used these yet because I want to keep them clean to show you. I got new makeup brushes. This makes me so happy because I needed makeup brushes. I can't tell you enough. I always need makeup brushes. So this is just like a savior, and it comes in this cute little pouch to keep them all clean and collected. Now this is the craziest part. This amazing brush set by Crown is worth $75. $75, that's crazy. The box wasn't even $75. So I'm super excited to have like high quality brushes. Oh, I love them. So this was one of the options too, so you could get a brush set for $75 or a Vince Camuto Luck Tote in black or red desert worth $128. That's crazy. So yeah, if you're like, yeah, I'm not really a tote person, I don't really have anywhere to wear a tote, even though it's super nice and like really expensive, I have better use for brushes. Lamb Glow masks. Face mask, bubble sheet, oxygen, deep cleansing mask. I feel like FABFITFUN keeps partnering with like such great big brands, and it's like, whoa, how much were these worth? $18 each. That's amazing that it's in this box and there's 2 of them. So like together, that's like the whole box value. Like that is so crazy. They're bubbling face masks. So it says, watch it activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. What? The next thing in this fall box I was so excited by, so I already started to use it, but it's a brand new beauty blender. I needed this so bad. It's like FABFITFUN knows, they always send me the right things at the right time, but I was in desperate need of a new beauty blender, so I'm so excited that it came in here because beauty blenders are kind of pricey. Like this is $20, so to get this in the box, it was like a total gift. So this beauty blender might be one of my favorite things in this box. Like I use it every single day, so it's not really like a fall thing, it's kind of an all season thing for me. So it's probably the same thing for you guys. This is a guaranteed everyone gets a beauty blender in the box. There's not really like another option for that. So that's really exciting. So let's move on and show you guys what else I got. Ooh, the next thing in here is the Skin & Co. Roma shower gel. Look how cute. It smells like lemons and sage and basil and autumn. Like it's such a warm but fresh scent. Wow. You can also use this for like bubble baths. So that's what I feel like makes this very like fall-like. But anytime, any day, I need some shower gel. So I'm super excited to try this. What else is in here? Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream. Oh, this is the stuff I used last night. So this is opened as well. Look at this cute bottle of eye cream. Fine lines and dark circles be gone. So that's exactly what I need every single night. I love how thick it is. I tried it last night and it has this like cooling, really nice texture that's like thick. I tried this and I was like, wow, that's a really, really nice texture and feeling it gives like automatically. So that's super exciting. This is also worth $38. So this eye cream is one of those ones that has options to pick different things. So if you're not really an eye cream person and don't really feel like you need it, then you can also pick between Touch in Sol Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny, which is worth $25, or this like salt for the bath called Cochio Somatology Yoga Detox Bath, and it's like a eucalyptus scented salts that you put in your bath for like relaxing, and that would be super, super cozy too, and that's worth $39.99. So they're all kind of ish around the same price. Ooh, this next thing, Polishing Facial Exfoliant by Alchemist. This stuff was so nice to use. It has this like really refreshing scent. It's like a super fine exfoliant. It looks like a cream, and then once you rub it around, you have like pretty sandy, fine grains. So it's one of those exfoliants that you can use like every day because it's super fine and gentle, and it has a value of $67. So that's crazy. You can choose between this. If you don't care about exfoliants, the other options are Hydra Repair Day Cream. Ooh, so that's really nice too. Or they give you a third option and you can choose the Alchemist Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser. So it's kind of like a full skincare line that you can get. The next thing in this box is a home item, and it's these cute little tea towels to like hang in your kitchen. They're so nice. They match like so many different interiors, this gray and white pattern. These tea towels are by Simply Whimsical and they're $14.99. And I just love that FabFitFun includes things for your house. Like sometimes it's a decorative piece, sometimes it's a candle, and this time it's tea towels. So I think they're like covering everything. I just love that so much. Ooh, so we're coming to an end here, but I have something in here that I really did not expect to be in this box, but I think is super cool, really, really nice, and everyone can use them. It's these Cobra Bluetooth headphones. Like, look how cute these are. I don't really have anything cordless like that, so to be running and stuff and having my cords everywhere. Also, I just lose those Apple ones that come with it, so this is super helpful. These are worth $40, and they also came in black as well, so you could get black or white, or the other options were these cute umbrellas that were $39.99. So they look like those really cute designer umbrellas, but I think this is more useful right now. So it's just a really cool lifestyle thing that they put in this box. It's not always beauty and makeup, it's stuff that is useful for everybody. Everything in here is just like so expensive and nice, so it's so cool to get it all in one in like this amazing package. I literally feel like it's my birthday. The last little thing they put in this box was this Luna bar. It's salted caramel nut. I love little protein bars or granola bars. On the run, all natural, so yeah, that's super great. They literally covered everything in here, even food. So I'm so happy to share with you guys what's inside the fall 2018 box. Even though my box may be different from the one you guys get, let me know what you guys get down below, and comment down below if you guys have ever tried FabFitFun before. If you guys order it and get it seasonally, let me know down below. And as I said, if you guys haven't tried FabFitFun already, make sure you guys use my discount code KM10. You guys will get $10 off your first box, which is so exciting. You guys can still get the fall box since fall has just begun. The excitement has just begun. So let me know down below if you guys join FabFitFun and are part of it. We can unbox our boxes together. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you turn my notifications on so you never miss a video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.